You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting vocabulary in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning phonography. Phonography, stress on that second syllable. Both British and American pronunciations are similar as phonography. And now you know. More videos here for you to learn more pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.